up, you guys? So today I'm working on my Dodge Ram. Changing out the headlights because they are getting burnt and they're not looking as good. This piece back here is breaking, and I think it's time for a change. So as soon as the other one comes in, I'm gonna go ahead and install the new ones, and once they come in, I'll show you how they look like. So stay tuned for that. Right, boy? Yeah. So I'm changing out the headlights on my truck. I didn't get something too expensive. I just got something like this, but with a little LED bar on the bottom. Usually these 2008 trucks don't come with that, and I just wanted to match my parking lamp. Of course, there's switchbacks, but you know, I made my own harness here. Here's the connections for this. The disconnects for this side, butt connectors on this side. 16 gauge wire, red and black, and I did the tubing, the shrink tubing, make it look like it was professionally done. Once I'm done with this, I'll install the bulb, turn signal. Later on, when it gets darker, I'll adjust the light. Now these are the connections that I use on the video, on the wiring harness that I made. I told you that they're disconnect. I call it like that because that way, if I need to remove that housing, I can disconnect it from there. Alright, so this ain't my picture, so don't judge me. I got this from Google Images just to give you an idea of how the wires look like. The ones on my truck I tapped into for the parking lamps were the middle and the black wire. The other outside one is for the turn signal, but the middle and the black one was the parking lamp. So that's where I tapped into to turn on that light bar. If you do the outside, both outsides, you're gonna get the turn signal. So I put the new headlights in. I mean, I like them, I like how they look, but I don't like how they shine out. The light's supposed to be maybe about right here, and they're pointing in the middle. I've adjusted them already. The funny thing is, it doesn't use a T20 torque screw. It uses a Phillips head. I try to adjust it, but these things won't move. So, unfortunately, these things here don't go sideways. So they just go up and down. So that sucks, because I tried moving the LED, adjusting the LED. Of course, it's not sitting up and down straight, but this one is. If you look at it, that one is. On the other headlight, it was working. These LEDs were working great. They were shining like they need to be, but for some reason, this housing, I got a feeling, was not built right, because I can't get it to adjust the light just like I want it to. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's in the middle. And no matter what I do, I can't get this thing adjusted like I want it to. So, if anybody's got a solution for this, help me out. Car ID, that's where I got them from. Yeah, this ain't, I mean, they look great, don't get me wrong, I like them, but they're not shining the light out like they're supposed to. And maybe they're not supposed to have LEDs, but honestly, how come the other housing was working great with LEDs, but this ones don't? So if anybody got an answer for me, it would truly help. But I already fit it flushed, which is sitting like it needs to. At first it wasn't, I thought maybe that was the issue, but I got them both to sit flush like the other one was, but I'm not getting the result that I'm hoping for. So at nighttime, the only thing that really gives me light is this, and these help a little bit. So that's the only thing that's helping me, but of course I have to turn those off when I'm driving. These are okay. So if anybody, like I said, has any solution for this, let me know in the comment section. I would surely appreciate it. I did talk to somebody on YouTube, because he has the same housing, the same light. It's just mine are clear and his are smoked, but it's not giving out the light that I really wanted to. But it'll do. I mean, it looks brighter on video than what it is in person, but still, I can still see. But what's funny is when I cover the driver's side, actually looks like it's the passenger light. Cover the passenger light, looks like it's the driver's side. So if that tells you anything, but I mean, it'll do. I mean, it looks pretty nice. I like how they look. All I have to do is turn on the fog lights, and they're going to give that wide spread light. And if I need to, I'll turn off my off-road lights for better light. So I'm all right with it. Well, I hope y'all liked the video. I mean, it's not much. I'll show y'all pretty much what I did. Quick video. I haven't posted in a while, so I hope you like it. I mean, I've been a little busy, and I really don't have time to put so much videos, but hopefully this helps y'all out when y'all try to switch out lights like this. I was going to go with smoke, but I had issues with it that they start peeling after a while. So I went with clear lens, and I think it still looks great. If I need to, I'll probably wrap it in 5% just to give it a little smoke tint, but I like it like this. I'll keep it like that. Right, boy? All right, guys. I'll see y'all. Take care. God bless.